Okay, so here I have my drawing. On the left, it's the cell, and then on the right, it's the house. So all cells, prokaryotic and eukaryotic, have these 4 characteristics. They have DNA, which acts as the control center, and tells the cell what its specialization is and what's going on inside the cell. Cytoplasm is the fluid substance that's inside the cell, and that's where things kind of hang out inside. The plasma membrane provides structure and has selective permeability, so it allows things in and out of the cell. And then there's also ribosomes, and they synthesize amino acids into proteins for the cell to then use. So over here we have the house. So the house has walls, doors, and a roof, and that provides structure to the house and also allows things in and out of the house. So people who live there or guests are allowed to come in and out, but it also protects the people inside from weather, intruders, anything in the environment that you don't want coming in. Then we have the rooms and hallways inside the house. It's kind of, you can't really tell because of my drawing, but I tried my best to show that this is inside the house. This is where everything happens. This is where people walk around. This is where the furniture is. So this is where all the action's happening and where everybody just kind of hangs out and where things are in place. Then we have these little guys in the orange hats. You can see them carrying around tools and supplies, and they are taking the supplies and building the house. So they're taking the raw materials and building into the house. And that's what is creating the structure and everything else. And then we have this other little guy in orange down here holding the blueprint for the house, and that's the instructions for what's going to be in the house, what's going to be seen in the house, what I guess you could say characteristics the house is going to have. So the blueprints are going to be the DNA of the cell. Those are going to be the analogy right there, because both of them are controlling what's going on, and it's the boss of what the cell is going to be and what the house is going to look like. And then we have the people in orange, the construction workers, who are taking raw materials and building the house out of these raw materials. And we have the ribosomes, who are the same as the construction workers, because they're taking the amino acids and then forming them into proteins that the cell can use wherever it needs it. And then we have the walls, doors, and roof. That is the same as the plasma membrane, because they both provide structures and allow things to come in and out of the house and the cell. And then we have the rooms and hallways and the cytoplasm, because that's where everything is happening. That's kind of the inside of both the cell and the house, and that's where things are kind of placed in each of them. So yeah.